Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to set up and customize our custom Blogger template so your blog looks sleek, modern, and high performance. In this guide, we'll cover 3 simple steps: installing the template code, hosting your profile and cover images using Blogger, and updating your theme code. Let's dive right in. First, let me show you how to apply the custom code to your blog. Head over to our GitHub repository and open the template.html file. Select all of the code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, log into your Blogger dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Theme. Click the small downward arrow right next to the Customize button and select Edit HTML from the drop-down menu. Inside the code editor, delete all the existing HTML code. Paste the code you copied from GitHub, then click the Save icon at the top right corner. And just like that, your new layout is installed. Now, let's set up your profile and cover images. Because Blogger doesn't have a dedicated media folder, we'll use a neat trick: hosting our images inside a draft post. In your dashboard menu, go to Posts and click New Post. Upload your chosen profile picture and cover image into the editor. Make sure they are high quality. Here's the crucial part: do not click Publish. Instead, click Save in the top right corner to keep it safely stored as a draft. Now, copy image address. Go back to theme/edit HTML and replace that with your cover image address. Hit the Save icon at the top right. Once it's saved, open your blog in a new tab to see your new custom design, complete with your profile and cover photos. And you're all set. Your custom Blogger layout is ready to go.